If you're getting an Epic Games Launcher uninstall error, don't worry. This is usually a simple background process issue, and in this video I'll show you the quickest way to fix it step by step. Whether the launcher is frozen, stuck running in the background, or Windows refuses to remove it, this method can help you clear the problem and uninstall it properly. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is make sure Epic Games Launcher is completely closed. A lot of uninstall errors happen because the app is still running even when it looks like it isn't. To do that, press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape on your keyboard to open Task Manager. If Task Manager opens in the simplified view, click More Details so you can see everything that's running. Now look through the list for anything related to Epic Games Launcher or Epic Games Services. You may also see processes tied to the Epic Launcher in the background. Click each one you find, then select End Task. The goal here is to fully shut down every Epic related process so Windows doesn't think the program is still in use. Once you've ended all the Epic Games tasks, close Task Manager and restart your PC. This step is important because a restart clears temporary background locks and refreshes any stuck system processes that may be blocking the uninstall. After your computer starts back up, don't open Epic Games Launcher again. Instead, go straight back to uninstalling it through Windows. You can do this by opening Settings, going to Apps, then Installed Apps or Apps and Features, depending on your version of Windows. Find Epic Games Launcher in the list, click the three dots or select it, and choose Uninstall. If the uninstall prompt appears, follow through and see if it completes normally this time. In many cases, simply closing the launcher completely and restarting the PC is enough to fix the uninstall error right away. If it still doesn't work, double-check Task Manager one more time to make sure no Epic-related processes are still active. Sometimes there may be more than one background service, and even one leftover task can prevent the uninstall from finishing. Also make sure you're signed in with an account that has administrator permissions because uninstalling software may require elevated access. Once the uninstall process begins successfully, let it finish without interrupting it. Depending on how much of the launcher is installed, it may take a moment to remove all the files. After that, Epic Games Launcher should be gone from your system. If you were able to fix the uninstall error with these steps, awesome. That means the issue was most likely caused by a background process holding the app open. If this video helped, please hit like and subscribe because I post more simple Windows and gaming software fixes that can save you a lot of time. And if you want, I can also help you with a deeper cleanup method for cases where Epic Games Launcher still won't uninstall after this.